In this video, I'll show you how to record in dual mode on your Samsung S24 Ultra. So if you recently bought the Samsung S24 Ultra, you can now dual record on the phone using the camera app. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you're going to go ahead and open up your camera app. Now in the camera app here, you want to tap on More. And within this menu, you're finding dual record, which is right here. Go ahead and tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you'll see the back camera recording and you'll see the front camera recording. So at the top here, you have a few settings which you can tweak. So for example, you can tweak the resolution size. So you can do 4K or you can do full HD on 30 frames per second. You can save the video as it is in one file, or you can have two separate files. At the top right here, you can change the view. So you can have a split view, or you can have the picture-in-picture view. At the bottom here, you have the option of choosing two lenses, which you can have on your camera view. So currently I have my front camera and my wide camera. So you can change this to, let's say, telephoto and wide. To set what camera is in the small picture, you can go ahead and tap on this small square icon just at the corner of that camera preview and then press OK. And now once you're ready, go ahead and press the record button. This will now start to record your video in dual mode. So it's recording the back camera and it's recording the front camera. So now if we preview the video, you'll see your video recorded in the dual mode. And there you go. That is how to record in dual mode on your Samsung S24 Ultra. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.